Isaac, come here. Come here. Let's go this way.
Somebody locked himself up.
Where's Mommy? Where's Mama? Mama.
Hi, can you come to me?
Yes, I locked myself up.
Hi, buddy.
Okay.
We've got a little step to navigate.
The way he usually goes down.
All right, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Oh.
He knew how to do it.
Yes, he did. We'll see what he does today. Can you come, Isaac?
Isaac.
Can you come to Mama?
Shall we go? Let's go.
Can you come to Mama?
Let's go. Let's go.
It's like I remember, sort of.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Shall we go? Let's go. Go.
Yeah, you gotta come down. Can you come down? Yeah. Oh. Do you remember how?
See the puppy? Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof.
Put one hand down.
Go get him. Go get him. You think he's forgotten?
Yes, I've forgotten.
You think he's good?
He doesn't want to go down there.
Yeah,
Well,
he does.
No, Mom, let him
Let him be.
He's going to go ahead first.
Right.
Let him be.
Want him to go ahead first? He put his hands down before.
Yeah, oh, there you go. Good job, Isaac. Good job.
There
All
you go.
right.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Hey, baby.
Now what? Now you gonna go take a car
It took him
trip?
a little while to figure
He's going
that out,
after
didn't it?
Chihuahua. Nope. Now that he's figured that out, he's just gonna keep doing it.
Let's do it again, right?
Do you
might
hear
have to
Auntie?
put- You might have to put a step in your house somewhere.
I know, just for the fun of it. All right, bye, Isaac.